Hey, teachers. Ever wish you could whip up a slick, engaging lesson video in just a few minutes? No studio, no fancy editing skills? Let me show you how to do exactly that with Invideo.ai. It's honestly a game changer for anyone who wants to bring their lessons to life. First, grab your lesson content. This could be a topic you're teaching, an article, or even a blog post. You can copy the URL or just paste the text into a document. Super simple. Next, head over to Invideo.io. Signing up is free, so no worries there. Once you're in, look for the AI video generator workflow. They've got templates like animated explainer, tutorial, or script to video. Pick one that matches the vibe you want for your lesson. Now here's where the magic happens. In the prompt box, type in what you want covered. Maybe you're teaching photosynthesis or the civil rights movement. Whatever it is, pop it in. Specify your video length, say 2 to 5 minutes. Then add your tone, like educational and conversational, and who it's for, like middle schoolers. You can even paste in a URL or a full script if you want total control. Ready? Hit Generate Now. The AI takes it from here, building visuals, adding a voiceover, subtitles, music, transitions, the works. And honestly, this usually takes just a few minutes. Once your video's cooked up, review and tweak it. Use the Edit Magic Box tool. Yeah, you just talk to it. You can say, remove scene 2 or change the voiceover to British or even speed it up a bit. If some visuals don't fit, swap them out for something better. It's all drag and drop, no tech headaches. Happy with your masterpiece? Just click Export. Pick your resolution and branding options. Heads up, free versions might include a small Invideo watermark, but that's a small price to pay for the time you save. Download your video and you're set. Now share it with your students. You can upload it straight to your Canvas page or embed it so they can watch right there. Don't forget to give the page a catchy title, something like Watch AI Generated Video on your topic. Add a short description or even a prompt for students to engage with, like list 3 things you learned or debate a question from the video. If you want to go further, build a quick quiz, set up a discussion board, or challenge your students to create their own AI-powered videos. You'll be surprised how creative they get. And if you want this whole guide as a handy PDF, just let me know. I can generate that in a snap. So that's it. Invideo.ai lets you transform your lesson ideas into polished, ready-to-share videos with almost no effort. No cameras, no editing headaches, just a powerful, engaging way to bring your classroom content to life. Give it a try and watch your students light up.